My name's Alistair, and I'm a traveling salesman. Literally, I've traveled all around Alberta, knocking doors, to starting a company in tech sales that then moved me down to San Francisco Bay Area, then transferred to a job in the Bay Area. And now I'm back here in Canada working for a ranch based in Chase, BC, where I split 50% of my time. So one of the takeaways that I took away from the Mount Royal Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program was when you're starting a company, how do you actually scale it? And that was actually brought to my attention from a class called Venture Launch. And what that really means is how do you take your company and grow it beyond your little community, grow it into a global phenomenon. And it's nice to know that a community like Calgary is preaching this to their students, and then it's validated in arguably the mecca of the world, San Francisco, California. And that's always stuck with me. And now when I'm here at the ranch, I'm applying it into our daily business. So one thing that a lot of people look for when they come to a university is the network, but what you actually receive is lifelong friends. When I came into the entrepreneurship program, I had the intent of just getting through university, getting that diploma, and walking out the door. But fortunately for me, the entrepreneurship program got me into networking situations where I actually met people that were really cool to be around, and I really enjoyed their company. And then a lot of them actually became future business partners or even just class project buddies that we destroyed in venture launch competitions and those sort of things. But these actual networks of people are something that I can't express enough gratitude towards. I just actually truly appreciate everybody that I met.